If your breakfast debates start with chicken or egg, you're officially a philosopher. If your answer is bacon, you might be on the wrong question. Let's crack this mystery. So here's the scoop. Scientists say, technically, the egg came first. Why? Because way back when, two almost chickens did the funky chicken dance. And their egg had a mutation that made the first real chicken. So the egg with the chicken inside came before the actual chicken. But hey, whichever side you're on, team chicken or team egg, just remember, without both, breakfast would be a lot less interesting. Stay curious and don't put all your eggs in one basket.